Hi guys, it's me, Toy Reviewer 743. But this video is the special report about being anonymous and being or good benefits about having a good privacy with others. And some of you question that why I am not, or might be some of you question why I'm having not leaking my official Facebook account, and also not leaking my messenger or something else. It's because to have to leak my uh, special or my main account is having a dangerous life. So this video is I want to say that my video is having a good privacy with others. So this video, I want you to please like, share, and subscribe, and comment in the comment section. So why might be question you why my account sometimes leaking my face. Cause to have my account or figure, to having account my privacy, but also having my account have a face. Some of you might imagining what is my truly face if I'm face reveal. So that's why some of my videos is uploading, but I'm not uploading my pictures, my vlogs, but I upload the videos as a project of school. That's why some videos is making me or my leaking face. So that is a good leak, because to have an account is having them also a good privacy. So that's why. So why my mobile number and email is I'm not input them. This is my one of my reason. If you might be question why my mobile number and email is I'm not leak. First, my email, cause my email on YouTube channel is I'm not saying, cause to have a privacy, and I'm not want to have so many spam email in my email, and I'm not leaking my email also in my main Facebook account. And some of you may be watch my video that I leak my name, but if you search them on Facebook, you have so many dummies. So you can now see what is my truly account. Why I do this? Because some of the whole world is having a bad people. So if my account or my main account got hacked, so I don't have a contact with my friends and my families. So that's why I'm not uploading the unnecessary and not about project school of videos. And also I make this to also aware about the privacy. So that's it. So my want to say that I'm not leaking my mobile number, because if I leak my mobile number, you can imagine that I have so many unknown callers and anonymous callers that I can do. But also the fun fact about me, that why I might be, or why you might be question that why I have input in Manila, Philippines in my Facebook account. Cause I in that to have an privacy and to see that my account is so fictional and foreigner, that minor vlogger, and also a good time with you and not a bad time of you. And I upload this video for having you aware the bad people that having a bad reputation, because sometimes you input so many informations that not be needed. If you are having sometimes people saying that he have a bad reputation in others. Why? Because some people that leak the uh, the full information, that's why he have a bad reputation. Because do you know that AI can make also bad reputation with you? So my upload in my YouTube channel is also about games, and also about fun fact about the projects that I upload. But also you can see that I'm not uploading, I'm saying Tagalog and saying anything, but that's why I'm not uploading that, because having that upload is so dangerous. So I upload this video also to having you aware about the unknown callers that might be up here. But in future, if I become adult, I can now leak my main account, main Facebook, and my main number and email. But for now, I am a minor, so I'm not uploading anything about my true information, and what I've got is unknown. And I want my account to be a fictional character. That's why you can see in my uploads, it is having a time to have school, having uploading YouTube in channel videos, and also having that time is a good time. But the fun fact, I am learn to have access in online editing because of laptop that I online class in grade 5 to grade 8. So that's why you can see that my upload is, some them is about laptop, and I'm truly discovered that might be I edit on laptop, because if I edit on the cell phone, it might be make cell phone lag. So that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. So that's it. Bye bye.